Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the percentage at which your laptop turns on Battery Saver automatically. This is a super useful trick to help you save battery life and get the most out of your device. Let's dive right in. First, let's open the Settings menu on your laptop. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and selecting the gear icon, or simply pressing Windows key plus I on your keyboard. Once you're in Settings, click on System, and then select Power and Battery from the left-hand menu. Under the Battery section, you'll see an option called Battery Saver. Click on it to open the Battery Saver settings. Here, you'll find a toggle to turn Battery Saver on or off manually. But what we're interested in is the option below that says Turn Battery Saver on automatically at by default. This is usually set to 20%, but you can change this to any percentage you want. Simply click on the drop-down menu and select your preferred percentage. For example, if you want your laptop to activate Battery Saver at 20, just select that option. You can choose any percentage that works best for your usage. If you want to conserve battery life earlier, set it to a higher percentage. If you prefer to use your laptop at full performance for as long as possible, set it to a lower percentage. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Now your laptop will automatically turn on Battery Saver at the percentage you've chosen. This is a great way to manage your battery life and make sure your laptop lasts as long as you need it to. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.